Acha. Tanvi, today we will learn about Tanvi. Today we will learn about acid and bases which we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay? Do you know what is acid? Give me an example of acid.
Sodium and sulfuric acid.
Sodium is a metal, not acid. Sulfuric, you are correct. Sulfuric acid is a acid. Okay? Give me an example of another acid, like lemon juice is also a acid. Okay, and uh, acid and base are reacts to form water and salt. So acidity is measured by pH. It is from if it is less than 7, then it is called acidic, and if it is greater than 7, it is called basic, base. Okay, so in our household we use tea. What is the pH of tea? Tea pH is 5, so it is acid. You have to understand that if the pH is less than 7, it is called acid. Okay, and if the pH is greater than 7, it is called base. Okay, and if it is pH is 7, it is called neutral, not a acid, not a base. Okay, so more the pH number, acidity reduces. If pH number is less, it is more acidic. So you have told first that acid is sulfuric acid. Acid pH is near about 0. So it is highly acidic. Comparatively, pH of tea, you have drained tea today. The tea pH is 5. So when sometimes you have heard that someone says after taking tea I feel acidity. So because tea is acidic in nature, its pH is 5. Do you know in our stomach we have acid in our stomach?
Yes.
Which acid is contains in the stomach?
Gastric acid.
Uh, yes, its chemical name is hydrochloric acid. Okay. Anyway, do you know in the battery in our car the battery has acid which is sulfuric acid. It is diluted sulfuric acid, but it is sulfuric acid highly corrosive. If you touch it, your hand will burn. So we should not touch sulfuric acid. It is a highly corrosive.
Hand will not stain.
If you touch a concentrated sulfuric acid, it may happen. Okay. In our gastric, in our stomach, the gastric acid present, it is actually hydrochloric acid. It helps to digest. Okay. Do you know vinegar? Have you heard about vinegar?
Yes.
Vinegar is used in pickle.
Yes.
Its pH is 2. Okay. You like to uh, drink uh, lemon juice,
yeah,
okay, orange juice,
yeah,
or mosambi juice.
Yeah.
What is the pH of it? Its pH is 3. Look, this is its pH is 3. Okay. Yeah. What is the pH of tomato? It's one good thing that is that acid taste is sour. Okay. Yeah. And when you eat tomato, you feel sour taste. What is the pH of tomato?
pH 4.
Yes. But what is the pH of water?
pH pH 6. pH 100.
No, pH is always in between 0 to 14. If it is near about 7, it is neutral. If it is less than 7, it is acidic. And if it is greater than 7, it is basic. Okay, base. যদি আমরা বাংলায় বলি তাহলে 7 কম যাদের পিএইচ সেগুলো হচ্ছে অ্যাসিড, আর যেগুলো হচ্ছে 7 বেশি পিএইচ সেগুলো হচ্ছে ক্ষারীয় পদার্থ, বেস। ইট ইজ কল্ড বেস। এন্ড ইউ নো, when acid and base reacts each other, it forms a salt and water. If hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is a base reacts, it forms sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride is the salt we use in our kitchen. We use sodium chloride. Do you know what is the salt of plant? Potassium chloride. We eat sodium chloride. Plants take potassium chloride. Okay. So water pH is near 7. Do you know what is the pH of cow milk?
The pH of cow milk is pH 7.
Yes. Say loudly, please.
pH 7.
But when cow milk is reacted by the bacteria and it becomes a weakly acidic. Okay, when bacteria in it produce lactic acid. Okay, so when we eat dahi, it tastes sour. Understood? Because it forms lactic acid. Now we understand what is base. Base pH is greater than 7 or less than 7? Base pH greater than 7. Less than 7 is acid, greater than 7 is base. Okay? So, what is the pH of toothpaste?
pH 9.
What is the pH of ammonia? Ammonia is a basic. Ammonia pH is 11. Ammonia pH is 11. What is the pH of household bleach we use in our bathroom to clean the bathroom? Bleach pH 12. It is basic. It is also a corrosive. When it is a highly basic, it is a corrosive. When it is a highly acidic, it is also a corrosive. Okay, it will burn your hand if you touch it in bare hand. So don't try to touch bleach which we use in bathroom. Okay. Do you know cement is also a base? What is the pH of cement?
pH 13.
What is the pH of sodium hydroxide? It is pH 14. It is highly basic. Okay. And what is the pH of sulfuric acid?
pH 0.
Yes. So it is highly acidic. Now, how we can identify a liquid it is acidic or base? It is tested by litmus paper. When we put a litmus paper, blue litmus paper into a acidic material, it turns into red. I will bring for you tomorrow. Okay, litmus paper. You will understand how it works. Okay, when we put blue litmus paper, it will form red in a acidic. Okay, this is a litmus paper. It is called litmus test. But when we put a red